What is materials management? Materials management are the activities relating to managing the flow of materials into the throughout the organization. It involves planning, programming, organizing, directing, controlling, and coordinating the various activities concerning the materials mentioned in the four objectives of material management. The four objectives of material management are maintaining the flow of production, reducing in inventory cost, contributing toward higher productivity, buying the best items at the lowest cost, increasing the profit margins of organizations. State any two objectives of purchase department: buying the right material, buying the right quantity. What is scientific purchasing? Scientific purchasing is the procurement by purchase of the proper materials, machinery, equipments, and supplies or stored is in use to manufacture of a product adopted to market in the proper quantity and quality at the poor time and the lowest price consist with the quality desired. State the six principle of purchasing. Principle of purchasing are right quantity, right time, right material, right source. State the various purchasing policies. The various purchasing policies are tender, make or buy decisions, ethics. What is purchase procedure? Purchase procedure is a method in which purchase activities of materials required proceed right from the process are intending up to completing the transactions. What is a blanket purchase order? A blanket purchase order simplifies the total amount to be purchased over a period from several months to several years. It does not necessarily specify when the items are to be delivered. What is material handling? Material handling is a system of a combinations method facilitating the labor and equipment for moving, packaging, and storing the material meet specific objectives. What do you mean by material handling? Material handling is an important activity not only in stores but also in production. It includes all movements of material in a manufacturing situation. Material handling is defined as handling of material. It is a system of combinations of method, facilities, labors, and equipment for moving, packaging, storing, and the material to meet specific objectives. Order to Raymond Equalwise. Mention the different types of material handling equipments: conveyors, industrial trucks, automatical guideline vehicles, crane, and hoists. What is a bill of material? Bill of material shows the list of all the components needed to purchase a finished item. Each component which is required to the financial product is purchased or manufactured after the order is received. What is right quality? Any material purchase of right quality, it is the suitable for the purpose for which is purchased. The idea is right quality influences by the factor